Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get out of big picture mode on Steam. If you've launched Steam's TV-friendly interface and want to return to the regular desktop view, there are two quick and reliable ways to do it. I'll walk you through both, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few tips to make sure it works the first time. First, the fastest method is using a keyboard shortcut. Make sure Steam is the active window on your screen, then press Alt and Enter together. Think of it as a toggle. When big picture mode is full screen, Alt plus Enter signals Steam to switch back to the standard interface. You might see the screen flash briefly as it transitions, and then you'll land back on the usual Steam window with your library, store, and downloads tabs. If you accidentally press it again, it will try to return to the previous full screen view, so just keep in mind it's a two-way switch. If the shortcut doesn't seem to respond, double-check a couple of things. Ensure your keyboard input is reaching Steam and not another app behind it. If a game is running, exit or minimize the game first so you're at the big picture home screen. That's where Alt plus Enter can do its job. Also, tap a key like Escape or click once to guarantee Steam has focus, then try Alt plus Enter again. The second method uses the on-screen menu. From big picture mode, press the Escape key to bring up the main overlay if you're not already on it. Look for the power icon in the menu. Its position can vary slightly depending on theme and updates, but it's typically easy to spot among the top or side icons. Navigate to that power icon with your mouse, trackpad, or arrow keys, select it, and choose Exit Big Picture Mode. Steam will gracefully switch you back to the standard desktop interface. If you don't see the option immediately, move through the menu item slowly. Big Picture uses large, console-style tiles, and the label will appear as you highlight the power symbol. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.